Hi guys, welcome back to our Study Abroad UK series. In today's episode, we'll guide you through the key steps in applying to UK universities. From visa application to writing an effective personal statement, this video is packed with tips to set you up for success. In the first section, we shall cover required documents for UK university application. For Indian students, this checklist is crucial. Valid passport, academic transcript from your previous studies, 12th grade, bachelor's degree, etc. Indian students must ensure that their transcripts are attested by the respective boards or universities. Next, we have English language proficiency. Well, the preferred English proficiency test is IELTS. I would suggest getting a minimum of 6 to 7.5 depending upon the course or university. SOPs or personal statement. LORs or letters of recommendation from teachers or employers. Part 2. UK student visa application process. Now, one of the most important steps is securing your Tier 4 general student visa. Here's what CLBS admission counselors will tell you about the visa process. First up, we have proof of acceptance. You must have an offer from a UK university. For instance, Aarti, a CLBS student, applied to UCL or University College London. And once she got her offer letter, she received a CAS, confirmation of acceptance for studies. Next, we have English language requirement. If your IELTS or TOEFL score meets the university requirement, you're good to go. Next, we have financial proof. You need to show you have enough funds to cover your tuition and living expenses. Indian students should have bank statements, affidavits of support, or sponsorship letters to meet this requirement. Visa fees. Don't forget to pay the visa fees, which ranges from £348 to £475, plus the Immigration Health Surcharge or IHS, which ensures you have access to healthcare while studying in the UK. Section 3. What makes an impactful SOP? Well, your statement of purpose is your opportunity to stand out. To help our Indian students, here are a few tips. Part 1. Academic background. Start by briefly explaining your academic history. Talk about specific subjects that you excelled in, like Karan, who wrote about his interest in computer science and how it led him to apply to University of Oxford. Next, why the UK? Clearly explain why the UK is your chosen destination. For example, one of our students, Niharika, focused on research opportunities in the UK for a master's in biotechnology. Next, you should talk about career goals. Show how the course aligns with the long-term career plans. Also, please remember to tailor your SOP for each university. Make sure your SOP matches each university's program. This is essential. For instance, one of our students personalized her SOP for University of Manchester by mentioning specific faculty members who she wanted to work with. Common mistakes Indian students make when applying. Now, here are some common mistakes that Indian students make during the application process. 1. Late application. Well, I have seen many students miss out on scholarship opportunities because they start the application process too late. Ensure you start your application process well in advance. 2. Not meeting English requirement. Well, in January 2025, we had one of our students retake his IELTS because his score was below the required threshold for his desired university. Ensure your test scores, IELTS or TOEFL meet the university requirement. 3rd, generic SOPs. Avoid writing a generic SOP that does not highlight your individual aspirations. Overlooking financial documents. Well, we had one student who had an issue with his financial proof because he did not have the required bank statement for 6 months. So please always double check the financial document required by the university and the visa authorities. Part 5. Application timeline for the UK universities. Let's wrap up with the timeline. Here is a general application timeline for Indian students applying to studying in the UK, 12 to 18 months before. Please do research upon the universities and courses that you wish to apply for and start preparing for your test preparation and English proficiency test. 9 to 12 months before. Finalize your university choices, draft your SOP and gather all the required documents. 6 to 9 months before. Please do apply for scholarship. Check out part 4 of this series for more details on scholarship. And please submit your university application. 3 to 6 months before, secure your visa and finalize accommodation. 1 to 3 months prior, prepare for arrival, arrange finances, and get ready to start your journey. Alright, that's all for today's video. You are now equipped with the key steps to apply to the UK universities. Please remember, starting early is crucial, so plan ahead and make the most of your application process. Good luck with your application, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study abroad tips. See you in the next episode.